This is DeGray Lake, clear, wide, wrapped in forest. It's one of the cleanest lakes in Arkansas. No houseboats, no overdevelopment, just sky and water. From above, it's like a painting. Kayaks drifting near the trees, campers waking up to mist over the surface, birds circling the quiet shoreline. People come here to disconnect, to fish, to float, or just be still. And somehow time moves slower here. A few minutes from the city, Stevens Park is where life slows down. Open fields, tall pine trees, trails you can walk without a map. There's a small creek. Families set up lunch under the shade. Kids race toward the playground. And someone's always tossing a football or just lying in the grass. It's not about big adventure. It's about small moments, the ones that matter. Then the drone drifts over something rare. Ron Coleman Mining, a real quartz crystal mine where anyone can dig. Crystals formed millions of years ago are buried beneath this ground. Shiny, raw, powerful. It's muddy, dusty, and magical. Kids and adults alike hunting treasure in the dirt. And when you find that one perfect point, it's like touching the Earth's secret. The mine also offers zip lining high over the quarry, a different view of wonder. And then the trees pull you in. Northwood Trails, over 30 miles of mountain biking and hiking, and every mile feels alive. Flow trails curve like waves. Downhill segments twist between cedar and oak. And when you stop, all you hear is wind and birds. From above, it's a maze of green, but on the trail, it's freedom. Riders fly, walkers wander, and every step takes you deeper into the forest, in further from the noise of life. These places, they're more than just locations. They're feelings. DeGray's peace, Stephen's simplicity, the spark of crystals in your hand, the heartbeat of a ride through the woods. This is Hot Springs, from lakeside sunrise to mountain trail dust, from family parks to ancient stone, seen from above, but felt deep down.